Introduce to you the son of our father, the only Alhaji last year president. In fact, our father, the former governor of Abuja. At this moment, Your Excellency, let me now introduce to you Grand Pandey. And our father passed on, he gave a lot of charges. But before our father passed on, he had put a lot of sir. At this moment, we have under Pandey executive here. We welcome you to the house of our father. But I want to state very clearly that it's a very deep delegation. We have been receiving visitors, but our father and members of the family, and also we are into daily, right from if it was planned. On this note, I introduce to you. Permit me, Your Excellency, to introduce the son of our father, Mr. Edwin Clark. Introduce to you the son of our father, the only Alhaji, Siminalayi Clark. Only Alhaji among the sons of our father, Timmy Clark. At this moment, Your Excellency, let me now introduce to you last year president. In fact, our father, the former governor of Abuja, leaders to receive visitors. In fact, at his age, I am surprised at his coming to this place daily. That shows that Chairman Board of Trustees family. In fact, before our father passed on, he had put a Grand Pandey. And our father passed on, he gave a lot of charges, like somebody who saw tomorrow. And the national chairman of Pandey, Ambassador God knows Ighodalo is here and always here. In fact, Ambassador God knows Ighodalo has been coordinating the affairs of Ighodalo. Sir. At this moment, we have under Pandey executive here present. Sometimes you want your money. The former secretary of Pandey, my sister, thank you very much. He's always here daily with us. At this moment, Pandey Chief Ken Robinson.
Your Excellencies, on behalf of the children, I would like to thank you for honoring us and being in your house, my father's house, and celebrating his life. This sort of situation is normally devastating for everybody, but my father has impacted a lot of people, not just in the South, Niger Delta, but all of Nigeria and beyond. The support that you have provided him over the years, keeping his mind sharp, keeping him entertained and challenged. We as the children appreciate everything you have done. And I just want to say thank you, and God will bless you all. Amen.
Or a life well lived. It's also important to appreciate that the leadership of Pandey is giving so much support at this particular time. His Excellency, I want to thank you for the time put in. We celebrate our father. I think Ambassador Ighodalo took this whole thing from me. I wanted to tell you the reason why I'm wearing white. I should have been wearing black because I'm coming for condolence. I know that we're not here for money. We're here to celebrate a life well lived. You know, some persons will live briefly, impact. But Clark lived very long. 90 plus is not a joke. And he lived it with full energy, still contributing positively. So it's what a fulfilled life. So I joined the family, say, it pleases God at this time for him to leave us. But while he's not here anymore, we must cherish the wonderful work he did. He's not a South leader. He's a leader in Nigeria. The history of Nigeria cannot be complete without mentioning the role that Clark and his contemporary played. I'm happy to be associated with such. This is when we normally use this is the right place to say such character. These are the character. These are the particular character we should encourage people to associate. Characters of integrity, character of uprightness, character that is not greedy, character that is self-serving, is ready to sacrifice everything. I want to assure the family that was a father to me. In my most trying time, he stood by me. He spoke truth to power. He wasn't scared. And I appreciate that role he played. In this delegation, I decided not to come under the job. I came here with a reflection of Rivers State. Maybe when we go for the other meeting, I can do the job. But here now, I'm not doing the job, I'm doing the rivers. You can see here, that Honorable Sinapa. You can see here, Senator Lee. You can see here, former governor of Rivers State, Mr. Nome. These are reputable names. These are men who stood, who followed, who delivered. Even if they are not appreciated again, but they delivered at that time. On the other hand, you also see the other side of the rivers. Working with Chief Abiye. Which story do you want to? From the time when our father was the governor, that was when he started being special advisor, not today. It will tell you how long he has been in government. And he never tired of. Are we talking about our father that is here? His story can't be complete without mentioning the king. Is his mentor, the one who taught him, who he followed. Are we talking about the total chair? Yeah, the people who did MPN. When MPN crashed, they entered this other republic that is surviving now. From the beginning, it's there. So we came here to tell you that Rivers State feel this pain. It is no longer a pain to us. life well lived, that we appreciate, that we are going to support to make sure that we follow the decision of the family, state, to make sure that we give him. But we have to immortalize his name. That's the truth. It's not about the South. It's not about it's about his contribution in nation building, his contribution in fighting for human rights, his contribution for defending the oppressed. It is what immortalized. And let me make this promise. If it's not done from this other side, we will immortalize him in our state. Papa has lived a very wonderful life. It's not that he doesn't have his own shortcomings. People should try as much as possible. That is the only way the legacy, the good work he has done, can be sustained. We're reading in the social medias, we're reading from other means of media. There are some families, as soon as the head is no more, there is division everywhere, scrambling for one thing or the other. Please, I want to appeal to you, everyone. One aspect that is good is that you're all grown up, which makes it easy for some person, but difficult, because everybody wants to claim right. That's the truth. Some people say it's easy. It's not easy, because at this point everyone wants to claim right. But ensure that you don't allow any gap to come in between. Be more united now than ever. That is the only way that we, his children, outside, can come in and support you to make sure that Papa never worry. That is the truth. If there is any breakage there, there won't be any reason, there won't be any cause, there won't be any purpose for us to continue to show, to express the love that we have for our late father. So please, that is my own appeal to you.
Anybody wait.